Good evening, and welcome to Berks Career Technology Center's first open house from your house. I'm Kyle Fulweiler, principal of BCTC's West Campus in Leesport.
And I am Michael Stauffer, the East Campus principal in Oley. We thank you for joining us and hope our program tours, instructor engagements provide valuable insight to all that BCTC has to offer.
BCTC's mission is to prepare all students for successful careers and post-secondary education through a highly acclaimed technical education experience. BCTC offers nearly 40 great programs in 7 career clusters, including business, communication, construction, engineering, healthcare, services, and transportation.
To your left, you will see the pages for each of these career clusters. The pages contain virtual tours of the programs as well as Zoom links to provide an opportunity to meet with our instructors. Our school counselors, special education personnel, and work-based learning coordinators will also be available on this page for questions regarding applications, schedules, special education, and additional questions.
We hope you find tonight to be insightful and informative. Please remember to complete the survey for a chance to win BCTC merchandise and an Amazon gift card. Thank you, and have a great evening.